Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to create CRM Sales Dashboard in Excel. So let's begin. First, open your Excel document, type total, people and value, total rate calculation, total open deals, total on deals. See this? Apply to this formula. First, equal sum E2 E11. Press enter. Apply the same process. Double click. First press equal. Wounded calculations. Count tip F2 F11. Use to this formula. Press enter. Again apply the same process. Press enter. Okay, then create CRM people in chart D on E11. Go to insert tab, recommended chart, all chart, column chart, choose your column chart style. Used first on, click OK. Use pivot table, go to insert tab, pivot table, deal stage, deal value, click OK. Choose style, then automatically inserted rows level, deal stage, count of deal value. That's it. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel.